Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! What is aseptic processing? Well, that's making stuff, usually drugs, in a sterile environment in such a way that risk contamination is reduced. See my contamination control video. Things are made in sterile zones that have been rendered clean by chemicals, dry heat, and moist heat. Aseptic processing also extends to the testing of such products, as a positive result could be the result of either a processing error or a production error. That was aseptic processing in 90 seconds or less. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.